out of that. So I'm gonna find out it doesn't have a dipstick, and there's a certain procedure to check it. So I had to do that, and then still had herky jerky. She kept saying she had a flashing check engine light. So then I put the code reader on it, and I had a number 3 cylinder misfire. So then I went ahead and swapped out spark plugs and reset the code. Came back again. So well, it's not that. So I went ahead and swapped spark plug wires, and when I did that, it came back again, and misfire moved to the cylinder that I put the spark plug wire on that came off of number 3. I swapped 2 and 3, and the misfire moved to number 2, and I also got a misfire on number 6. So I changed those out, and we drove about 25 miles up and down hills, and I don't get a check engine light anymore. And I got plenty of pickup now, and I like that. So I believe that's where we're at with that situation. And now I'll get this done. Let's see where the hole is for. I can't find the hole. Okay, there you are. Okay, now you're tight. I got it as tight as I can get it. I'm gonna go just a little bit more so I can line the holes for the. Not quite, almost. Okay, a little bit more. More. And again, I can't get a socket in here, so I'm kind of screwed when it comes to that. Alright, sweet. Alright. Okay, in there. Get on the back side and bend that down. Put your quarter key in there. Straight down. Dude. There, come over top. Ow! Of course. Nuts! Alright, here we are. It's nice and tight, nice and lined up. Quarter key is installed. So the rest is just installing the rotors. The rotor, put your caliper back on, wheel back on, and then I'm going to back it in underneath the porch here. So I'll let that Get that out. Yeah, I'm here. Put this stuff away. Yeah. So, you know, pull these back together here. Jeez. Right. Butt back over there. Sweet. All right. That and put this away. All right. Man. Again, it's ideal if you have your own. You got a press to do this, and then you got to. Fortunately, then you got to take it off the. Take that lower arm off the. Shaft back there. That's a matter of finding all the doggone holes for everything. All right, my battery's getting ready to